welcome back to another video. So today I'm just going to do a quick one. I'm going to be sharing some drill bits that I purchased myself from AliExpress. As you all know, my favorite professional drill bits. If you're wanting to get better quality, try out Erika's ATA bits. They're my favorite. I have other videos where I'm sharing them, but I just wanted a cheaper option to share with you in case you can't afford the more professional bits. So I'm just going to quickly show you every one I purchased. I purchased some fine, some medium, and some coarse bits. So I'll show you, and they don't really give you an explanation what each is used for, but I'll kind of tell you what I purchased each bit for. So let's begin with the fine bit. So you know it's fine because it has the red right here on the bit. So this one is just, I'm going to use more for like finish filing, going around the edges of the cuticle to clean them up, to seal them. So I think that one will be good for that. And I should tell you too, I will have the links for every bit down in the description of this video so you can easily find them. Another fine one I purchased is this one. So again, you could use that around the cuticle. You could do the whole nail with this one, but it is fine. And I have used this one, so the red did wear off, just so you know, because I do disinfect them and soaking them, sometimes it will come off. Whoops. So the next one is a medium one, and I just wanted to try these bits. So you could use that for the whole nail again, around the cuticle, for finish filing. But yeah, it's called the medium umbrella, it looks like. I'll show you this up close. So there it is. And these are like a titanium type bit, I think is what they are, but I haven't tried one of the blue ones before. I don't know if it makes a difference or not. And then we've got one in same type of thing. I will show you. These look a little different, but there's that one. Again, I could finish file with that one or remove product. I usually will use the medium or coarse ones for removing like the bulk of product more, or for doing a fill and removing color. Here's another medium one, and I thought this would be really good for doing around the cuticles if I do full nail tips, to clean that area up because it's got that nice point. You could also use this for under the nail for cleaning up. Another medium one. Again, you could use this for a fill, to remove product and color, or to finish file. Doing around the cuticles as well, you could use that one for. Now this is a smooth top one in the blue. It's a medium again. I like these bits because they're a nice safety bit that's not going to hurt your client in any way. And now we're getting into the coarse bits. So this one I would use for under the nail, most definitely for cleaning under there. If there's, say, some bulk product, it'll remove it quickly, and it's got that nice point to get under there. You could also use this to remove product off of a, say, a full set of nails and you want to get down and debulk, or debulk acrylic. Just bring this up for you to see better. You can tell it's coarse, the teeth kind of get a little bit bigger. Another coarse one, and this one would be really excellent for debulking acrylic or hard gels, or removing color to get down and check for lifting. And the last one I'm sharing with you is a ceramic bit in coarse. You can see right on there, it says coarse. It's a flame bit. And again, that one would be good for removing, say, glitters and hard gels and acrylics, debulking. So I will put Erika's ATA down below, and I do have a 10% off code for them if you want really good professional bits. And if you need to know what bits to purchase from there, just ask me and I'll tell you what my preferences are from there. And here I have these, of course, and I will have those links down below if you want a cheaper, less expensive bit to try out. So if you're wanting to see me use each bit in a video, let me know. I will be using some of them, I know, in the near future, but just let me know down in the comments. So thanks everybody for watching. If you could please like and subscribe, that would be wonderful. And I will see everybody in the next one.